Okay. Siri, what are you cooking today?
I want to cook tomato sauce to eat with rice alongside fish.
And
So
why you
right now I'm about blending the tomatoes to
why
get a paste out of it.
why are you breading it?
To get the
You
paste.
can cut in pieces.
No,
Mhm.
the one I want to make, a tomato sauce paste.
Mhm. So it's better
Yes.
than slices.
Yeah, it's better than a slice. It's much more better again because it gets ready faster.
Mhm.
Yeah. When you slice,
Mhm.
it takes time to get done because you need to do away with the sour taste. There's something they call the sour taste. If it's sour, it's not good.
And where is your apron today?
Sorry?
Where is your apron today? The kitchen apron.
I don't have.
You should have one.
I'm cooking on my own.
Siri, ni aje?
I have to slice them. As I told you earlier, I'm doing tomato sauce, okay? Making tomato sauce. When I slice like this, I blend. Later on, I boil for some time. Then I fry.
Why should you boil? Or you're making
I
it
boil to
paste?
make the water get dry.
Ah.
When the water gets dry, frying it is easier and it will get done faster. It will cook faster.
I thought maybe slices is good when you're cooking.
Sorry?
I thought when you slice them, it's better.
No, it takes time to get ready.
But this is a lot of work.
It's a lot of work, but if you want to eat something good, you need to do the way I'm doing.
Yeah.
Unless you have all the time in the world to slice them.
So how many tomatoes? How-
Yo,
You have
going? No, this is the last one.
you have to slice all these.
Yeah, it's left only one.
Silly Mr. Chef.
Let viewers subscribe because later we make pancakes. We shall make pancakes. Let's come.
I'll
You're gonna
come,
enjoy.
I'll come when you finish. You call me.
No,
Because I need to enjoy your food.
pancake or what?
All.
Ah, okay. That would be great.
Yeah. Where is the apron? How many minutes
How many minutes
you're
you want
supposed to?
to blend?
Yeah.
It's not having a number of minutes. When you
Or
see,
just
yeah, with your eyes, if you see it's ready,
Then
it's
you
ready in
can-
water. You move gently, don't shake. Nowadays,
what's that now?
let me get some salt from you. Let me get some salt from you. Salty.
See what this one?
Yeah, it's good. did I keep that knife?
You want to put some sugar?
Salt, bumbu. This is rice. Okay.
So you just put water and
Yeah, I boil at once. I'm doing so that you shouldn't waste time.
come check your tomatoes.
Sorry?
Check your tomatoes.
No, it's okay.
No need of
It needs
stir
to
or
boil
something. Yeah.
and get dry. You see, it's still watery. If you can get, there's one smell coming out from it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the sour smell.
So that it's cooked.
Yeah. You boil. Yeah, you boil. Yo. No, it's okay. I was saying I wanted to get salt. So now why this is getting cooked and this I need to go and wash my fish.
Okay.
Okay? Fish was already fixed.
Okay.
This one is refined tomatoes paste.
So you have to add some spoons there.
Yeah.
Why are you doing that now? You make it more thick or
Not more thick to increase the tomatoes. Yeah. And then to make it look more reddish.
oh,
You see this one is red than this one. So when you take a little bit you can eat much rice. Okay?
but I don't want to eat a lot.
When you is in a plural form, not singular.
Now it looks good now. It's like porridge.
Like porridge?
Yeah.
This is tomato sauce, okay?
Tomato sauce.
Yeah. Now I've already put oil and everything on you.
So you're going to put this,
Yeah.
but you have put too much oil.
No, the oil is not too much.
If I can see it with my eyes and you are
You
saying,
can see with your eyes, but when you stare, what do you see?
my friend,
This tomato sauce to eat with rice, you just need a little, you don't need much.
how many?
So now you're preparing carrots.
Yeah, I'm cleaning the carrots to slice in bits.
Cubes.
After slicing in bits, I'll need to
Mix it
boil.
tomatoes.
I'll need to boil a little.
Tomatoes?
No, I'll need to boil a little before mixing with tomatoes. I'll put towards the end of the tomatoes.
Yeah.
That's when I'll put the carrot. Because you know when cooking tomato sauce, it's not good to let the carrot overdone in the tomatoes.
Okay.
Now I want to boil the carrot a little bit, just a little
you
bit.
have to boil them also.
Yeah, to remove the sweet liquid from it. You know you're cooking it inside tomatoes.
Yeah.
If you allow the sweet liquid, it's not good. So
Okay.
I'll just boil it a little bit.
Like 2 seconds.
This is our rice.
Select.
This is our rice. Our rice is ready. So I'll transfer it to another side. Then I boil the carrots here.
Okay. your kitchen is squeezed. You need a bigger apartment.
The carrots have been put in it. Carrot, ginger and garlic, and chili as well, and curry. So this is how it looks like. We allow it to get boiled for a little while, then it's ready.
One packet, all. See what I think. Yeah.
I'm seasoning the fish.
You're seasoning fish.
You're not marinating?
No,
You're saying
What is all?
This is which fish?
Morocco.
You buy they are in this martin up here?
Yeah,
How much per kg?
90 rand, but this one is 11.
It's called,
12 gram.
it's called Morocco.
Yeah, Morocco, that's the name of the fish.
Big chunks. It's very meaty, eh? Has a lot of meat.
Yeah.
Yeah, no bones. No bones.
I like this one with no bones.
Yeah.
Sema?
To the eyes of the fish to avoid it from popping. Good. You see, if it's inside oil, that's what is going to happen to you.
What's that? Oil?
Yeah. That's why I bust the eyes.
You don't remove them?
No way.
They are nice.
If they remove your eyes, well, how will you see?
But you're cooking them.
Don't go too close. Now we are frying the fish. When the fish is well fried and dried, we remove.